Madagascar.
Be careful with the bench. Be careful with the bench.
I got it.
We made it.
Ah! The bench! It's gonna crash into us! Ah! Ah!
It's a really good camera.
Oh yeah, I took care of you, baby.
There aren't any animals, but I'm still gonna keep recording. Yes.
Come on, there's people parked at
Ooh, I see some elephants.
all the elephants.
There's some
Okay,
huge
you're
elephants
gonna
up
need to
there.
get pictures of these guys.
Which ones? I don't
Whoa! Yes, that's right. I did say, whoa! Those things weigh over 30 pounds.
Oh, I can see them.
You gotta get some pictures of these guys, Kevin. You got to. We'll get a little closer and we'll stop up.
This one or that one or? The one that's closer or the
I think
twofer?
the ones that are further have a better pose.
Yeah. Okay, elephant, stay where you are. Don't change that pose. We're coming for you. That one has grass, Kevin. Look, he's eating.
Or it's stuck to his chin.
Toasty.
You want me to take a camera or?
That's Kevin's shooting.
Is the other one in here?
Yeah.
Are they brown with wrinkles, or are they wrinkles with brown?
Good, Kevin.
There.
Good job. You got a good one.
Oh, they're together.
Oh, look how cute they are. They're so sweet.
No, come on. What's me? No.
Okay, I'm going. We're good. If we can. Careful with your foot over there.